What's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel where I teach you guys how to play guitar as easy as possible. And for today's lesson I'll be teaching you guys how to play Jawsh or Jawsh 685 Lexed. So let's go! So just let me, I'll play it for you guys. I'll give you guys a rundown on what it sounds like, and then we'll get into the lesson. Bye baby, let's go. So here's the this is the first chord. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna place your index finger right here. I forgot to mention, if you got a capo, just stick it on the second fret right here. That's 1, 2. So you're gonna place your index finger right here, your middle finger, you're gonna go to the 3rd string on the 2nd fret, because remember we're counting from here now, so this is acting as that, so now that's 1, 2. So 2nd fret on the 3rd string, and then you're going to get your ring finger and you're just going to put it right there. So that's on the 4th string on the 2nd fret. So this is what it's going to sound like. You're strumming it, this is the bass of that chord. So try and miss this one because it doesn't sound, I mean you can hit it, but that's the bass of that chord. So the second chord for that song would be I think it's an F. So just place your index finger right here on the 5th string on that fret, ring finger right here on the 4th, and on the 3rd your ring finger. So you can place it there, and what you're going to do is you're going to get your thumb and you're going to cover this string right here on that fret. So this is going to be the bass of that chord. So and the 3rd chord for that song is going to be a C. So your index finger still on the same place, so 1st fret, 5th string, put your middle finger on the 3rd string in the 2nd fret, and the ring finger right here, if you can see it. So that's on the 2nd string on the 3rd fret. So 1, 2, 3. And the last chord for that song is going to be a G. So you put your index finger right here, middle finger here on this string right here, top string, and then you're going to put your, depending on how you feel, how comfortable you are, so you can cover these 2 strings, this finger over here, your ring finger, and your middle finger on the last string, on the 6th string, on the same fret, as you can see. So there you have it guys, Jawsh 685 Lexed. Hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. I post up every Saturday, so if you can, hit that notification button, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye for now, take care, doses.